Today Ravi River News. Dangerously high water levels in River Ravi, near Lahore. Low-level flooding adds to people's worries. Low-level flooding has occurred in the River Ravi near Lahore, causing nearby, low-lying areas to become submerged. A continuous rise in the water level is being observed, creating difficulties for nearby settlements and farmers. According to the Irrigation Department, the increase in the river's flow is due to recent rains in the upper regions and the release of water from India. Officials have stated that the situation is being closely monitored and relevant departments are on alert. Rescue authorities have advised citizens to avoid going near the river unnecessarily and to immediately contact Rescue 1122 in case of any emergency. Experts warn that if the spell of rains continues, the water level may rise further, increasing the risk of flooding.